watching Richie from Boston. He just posted this video a few seconds ago. My computer is completely locked down. I have no idea that buzzing noise just happened. The only screen that was open was Richie from Boston. I was watching this video about the food. Today is the 20th of July. I've never seen this happen to this computer. Listen to that sound. It's totally locked up. Welcome to Wag's World. This is the last computer I have left. The rest are on the shelves. They're all effed up. This is unbelievable. Wag Chicago. And this morning it showed that a app, the nighttime app, had extensions through Google came up as a warning that it had malware on it. So I wonder if this has something to do with it. How that app got malware on it, I have no idea. But if you have the nighttime app on Chrome, Google Chrome, which should be certified and all okay, it's not. This is Wag Chicago. I'm out.